Hello everyone. I'm going to show you how you can create this camera shutter effect in DaVinci Resolve, the same effect you see in fast-paced edits and reels. Let's get started. First, we need to trim each clip to 4 frames long. This short timing is what gives the effect its snappy, camera-like feel. Then, search for the push video transition in the video transitions menu and drag it in between the clips. Adjust the transition so that it goes halfway across the clip. Don't skip this setting, as it makes or breaks the effect. Next, in the Inspector tab, click on the preset drop-down menu and select Push Down. This is where the shutter motion really comes alive. Turn up the motion blur, then copy and paste the preset across all the clips. This saves time and keeps everything consistent. To complete the effect, add a camera shutter sound effect between every clip transition and that's it. With sound added, the effect feels 10 times more realistic. If you found this video useful, please like and subscribe for more DaVinci Resolve editing tricks. Happy editing!